Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making moong dal cheela. To start with, I am going to soak a cup of moong dal or yellow split dal with 2 cups of water for at least 3 hours. If you have more time in hand, you can also soak it overnight. So after 3 hours, dal would look like this, and to check whether it has soaked properly, just take a soaked grain and try to break it using your thumb like I'm doing here, and it should break easily. Now it's time to blend. So in my blender I've taken an inch of ginger and 2 green chilies. You can omit green chilies if you don't like spicy. And then I'm adding all the soaked dal to blend it. And I'm also gonna add around 1.5 teaspoon of water. And then blend. So here is our batter. The consistency is similar to that of a dosa batter. So if your batter is thick, you can add more water if you feel like so. And now it's time to add spices. So I'm gonna add salt, cumin, red chili powder, coriander powder, and amchur or raw mango powder. At this point, if you have roughly chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, you can add those as well. So I'm gonna mix everything really well. And I've also put my skillet to so I'm just gonna add some oil and just spread it over. And then I'm gonna take a spoonful of moong dal batter, and with a very light hand in a circular motion I'm gonna spread it evenly. So we have to cook this cheela on each side for 30 to 45 seconds, depending on how hot your skillet is. And when you're ready to flip over, just add or sprinkle a little oil on the sides and then flip it over. You will know your cheela is ready when you see a little brown spots on each side. And just try to press it from every corner just to make sure that everything is cooked properly. So after around 2.5 minutes, our first cheela is ready to serve. So here's a clip where I can show you all those small brown spots just to make sure that cheela is cooked properly. Thank you so much for watching. Serve hot and enjoy. Bye bye.